रोज एक सवाल।
सवाल सॉल्व करने के बाद वो बेल आइकन पे क्लिक कर देना। रोज सवाल का नोटिफिकेशन तुम्हें मेल बॉक्स में आ जाएगा। ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट द क्वेश्चन।
Of the shirts produced in a factory, 15% are defective, 20% of the rest are produced in the domestic market. Now, so if let's say there are X numbers of shirts produced in the factory, 15% are defective, remaining is 85%, so 0.85x, right? Says that 20% of the rest are sold in the domestic market. So this out of this 20% is sold in the domestic market. So 20% is 1/5. So 0.17x 0.17x is sold in the domestic market. Remaining 0.68x must be left for export. So 1.17x and 0.68x. Now 0.68x is equal to 8840. Now just let's see how what's the answer coming out here to be. Now 17 5 times is 85, 2 times, so this becomes 520, and this becomes 4 times, and 100 is multiplied if you take the decimals out. Now this is 130, so this is 13,000. This is 13,000. So that's your answer. I hope this is clear to you. The answer is 130. Now guys, have a look at this. So you know the answer already. I will tell you how people make silly mistakes. Okay, how people make silly mistakes here. So if you actually take x as 15% and then you take 20% here additional, okay, you don't take 20% on this, you take 20% on this only. So this becomes 0.65x, right? So this becomes 0.65x. Now 0.65x you equate to 8840. Okay, so now when you equate it to 8840, you take 100 here, you divide it by 13 5 times. This is 13, 6 times is 78, and 8 times is 104, so 680. Now if you divide 5136, so the answer is 13600. Is it there in the answer option? Yes. So is the answer option waiting here to make a mistake? If you make a mistake, you will find that answer in the answer option. So you have to realize this, the psychology of the people who are setting the paper also. You can't make a mistake in a simple question like this. If you make a mistake, you will find your answer and you will mark it, you will be happy going home. But your answer will be incorrect. So read the question very, very properly. That's the key input I have from this question.